Good morning, guys. It's actually though. What's up, you guys? Let's go dogs for one. What you guys been up to? Anything for question? Dinner? Anything to say? Well, right now, you guys, we are just heading in. Just dropped the girls, Rachel's fan, Amy, and herself to breakfast, and then I'm going out for breakfast today. So that's gonna be fun and exciting. So it's gonna be fun and challenging. So I will talk to you guys when we are done breakfast or whatever we are doing next. Guys, I had a sip of breakfast, you guys. It was so good. It was awesome, you guys. So I'm just picking up the girls at the church because they had ladies breakfast again. So that's what I'm doing. Then we are going to a place where Rachel's getting her dress fitting, I think. Is that the word I'm thinking of? I don't know. But that's what we are doing. And then I don't know what other things that we're going to do yet. I don't know yet. So that's what we are doing. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are going to Domino's Pizza. So that's what we ordered. So I'll talk to you guys when we are done ordering pizza, and then we are going to try to get the place cleaned up. So yeah, we are going to do that with Amy. So Amy decided to help us clean, so that's kind of good of her. Thank you, Amy, so much for helping.
So it's 1:30 in the morning and Gareth is going nuts.
No.
Yes.
Headlights.
So yeah, guys, we're almost home.
Woo!
We went to drop Amy off and I am so tired.
I'm tired too.
Gareth is literally just functioning. We just got into where we live. So hex yeah. Headlights.
Wipers. Hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.